Keep mute, all of you. Hey, Anamita Jana, keep mute. Okay, next topic, definition of personality development. What is the main personality already we are discussing? Here, definition of personality development. How to development of the personality we will discuss now. See, personality development is actually the development from the organized pattern of attitudes and behaviors which makes an individual. Bindu, keep mute. Oi, Bindu, keep mute, ma. Okay, here, personality development actually the development of organized pattern of attitudes and behavior. Whenever your attitude, behavior developing, automatic personality also developing. Personality means totally behavior, attitude, character, habits, ego, superego, id. This and all main personality related to the personality. That's why main from the organized pattern of attitudes and behavior which makes individual distinctive. Distinctive means like a one person or single. Individual single or individual person total that make up the attitude behavior their self only, their only organize and developing of the personality because of like a depending to the attitude behavior making only automatic developing of the personality. Example, in case I have attitude good behavior individually I will maintain of the my personality development. Like this also each individual person they're only making up the attitude behavior, they're only organized about to the personality. That's why automatic they self only they're developing up the personality. That is a definition of personality development. Here, main personality development, some techniques have like here. Temperament like basic types and categories. Related how to you can develop up the personality developments. Here some basic types of categories have. The next class will come that one. Next, big five personality factors. Personality factors, psychological factors and physiological factors, biological factors, chemical factors, sociological factors, like different have to the big five personality factors and theories of personality development. Actually, we are discussing now before yesterday theories of personality development like psychological theory, biological theory, and sociological theory, like this physiological theory. Some theories like these related theories also automatic you can develop it of the your personality. And implication of the different theoretical, different theories you can use and related the theories also you can increase of the personality development. Related types and related theories also you can develop of the personality. Main perspectives of providing wholesome education. Just you can give to the more education to the each person because of the person want to develop of the personality. Na? That's why you can each person you can education you can provide to the education to the each everyone. Automatic they whenever you educate na, they will change of the activity, behavior, attitude. Automatic they will also get the more improvement and development of the personality. Like this maintaining is they will improve of the personality development. And next to things to enhance your personality. Some things you can think about to the your personality. What that means? Don't compare your life. Means you compare your life means you are thinking more and thinking. You will get the depression. You can't develop of the personality. That's why main this main things you can keep in your mind. Don't compare to your life and don't have negative thoughts. Don't keep to the any negative thoughts in the mind or things you cannot control. In case you have so many negative thoughts means you can't control. Example about your friends, about class, about family. See, you are keeping more negative thoughts means you can't control of the your thoughts. The thoughts going to deeply means you will get the problem. That's why you can think only positive thoughts only. Don't keep to the any negative thoughts. That negative thoughts you can't control properly, because of that is a negative like creating of the problem. That's why you can't control of the anything about to the negative thoughts. Like the negative thoughts is there means you can't improve, you can't development of the your personality. And instead invest your energy in the positive present moment. Whenever present or whenever you can keep up the positive moment, you can energy in case whenever you maintaining a positive moment, present positive situation means positive thoughts, that time your body is energetical and your mind also energetical, because of your positively you're taking off everything. That's easily the personality development. But negative thoughts is that means you can't control, mind is not control of the about the negative thoughts, that time you will think of the more, that time you can't develop of the personality. That's the main positive thoughts important to the each person. And don't waste your precious energy on gossip. Gossip power is there, na? Gossip power is immediately identify like a gossip power and precious like energy. Whatever you have energy, gossip power, don't waste. See, some people's unnecessarily using up the knowledge, unnecessarily using up the brain thoughts, like energy also. That is a very waste. That's why don't waste of the any energy, any gossip power. In case you are wasting means you can't improve the personality. And dream more while you are awake. In dream more awake means what is awake? Wake up in. See, in a dream more while you wake up in. Whenever you are getting the more dream, that immediately you can wake up. Because of in dreams also you'll get up the negatives. Means in some in case yours also na, in sleeping after sleeping in midnight or morning you will get to the some dreams. See, in the dreams, in case example me, I'm getting any bad dream, but that bad dream only I'm thinking about that one. This one dream coming like a bad dream, like that I'm thinking my personality total decreasing. That's way whenever I wake up from the sleep, that time immediately you can dream more while you are awake. Whenever getting dreams now, immediately you can stop, you can wake up to the sleep. Because of you like the sleeping getting bad dream is continually start of the bad dreams. That's whenever any dreams getting is immediately you can wake from to the sleep. That is a things to enhance your personality. In case anybody getting bad dreams means they can't sleep properly also. Like this different improve of the personal development is there. Just you can follow the these 4 points. And next to health, drink plenty of water. Main health main important, not health main important means you can't improve of the personality development. You want to maintain the personal development, just you can follow up the main health related tips. Just to drink plenty of water, eat breakfast like a king, lunch like prince, and dinner like a beggar, like a different items. See, some people, some areas, some countries, morning to up to night they're eating rice. Morning tiffin eating means afternoon and night they're eating rice. Different. But you want to maintain the health means just you can eat breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a beggar. Like this names only. Like this, you can call up the different food items within the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And eat more foods that grow on trees. Whenever eating more foods means you can grow up the your body. Like in case you pouring water in the under the tree means tree growing now. Like this, you're eating more food means your body personality also growing. And live with 3 years energy. You can use up the 3 years. What is the 3 years? Energy you can use enthusiasm, like enjoyment, interesting, and empathy. This three is a very important to the each every person in the life. And make time for prayer. You can make up the one time you want to pray to the God. That also you can time also you can make to the for the prayer. And play more games. You can play up the more games and read more books. Because of why, in case you playing more games means what uses advantages, you can tell me anyone, what is main purpose of more playing of more games?
Ma'am, for physical examination, physical health.
Physically activities. Then
Ma'am, relation to how to contact with people.
yeah, relation to contact with the people other in the ground areas. Okay, good Pinto Anupam. Yeah, see here, play more games means you are playing games to the other persons means that time communication have relationship also. Once game means all people's interesting showing in the game because of your mind only keeping its interesting into the game time. That time mind will tell of the, you can play like this, you can play like this. That time they will get to the winner. See, games also more interestly enjoyable and increase of the skills to the about the games and main mind freshness also. More good ideas also have to in the play persons. That's why main you can play more games. Whenever playing more games means that time you have any conflicts, any stress, frustration, immediately relieving of the stress, conflicts, and frustration. Because of games also, main games give to the enjoyable to the each person. And read more books. Whichever, whatever books you want to study, you want to read means you will get the more knowledge and skills. See some example, one person like a devil stories, one person like a love stories, one person like a about family stories, like a different person have to the different stories, but that all persons studying of the different stories and reading of the books means they will improve of the knowledge particular topic. Example, yours also, you like of the nutrition subject, you don't like of the other subject. Otherwise this subject you don't like means other subject you like, because of why means that much concentration keeping in the one subject, that related subject you have to the more talent and knowledge because of your reading and interestly studying of the books also. That's way you can read more books, you can get the more knowledge, personality development. And sleep for 7 hours. Main example sorry, main I want to sleep hours 7 or 8 hours. These 7 or 8 hours very important to the each person. At least you can sleep up the 7 hours because of see these 7 hours only total mind relaxation, body relaxation, and personality development. Okay, some people's exams have in exam time some people sleeping only 5 hours, 6 hours, but each person or human being want to sleep means 7 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. That's why main you can sleep for to the 7 hours and take a 10 to 30 minutes walk every day. Every day you can take up the 10 minutes walking purpose. Just you can walk up the 10 minutes every day, and while you walk, smile. Mean you walking time just you can give the smile. You are walking like a frustration walking, like a irritation walking, means that is not a walking, that is not a exercise. Whenever you walking means that time you can use smile, smiley just you can walk, don't struggle walk. Okay, you can every 10 minutes every day 10 or 30 minutes you can walk up with the smile. That is a health, like this maintain means you will get the development of personality. And next to personality assessment, how to you can observe to the personality. Personality assessment assist a counselor in who will assessment of the personality. Each person is counselor. The counselor only assessing about to the each person personality. Here, understanding the behavior of a particular individual. Personality assessment time. Just each counselor may know particular individual only they will understanding of the patient behavior. That is the counselor responsible. Less well like this also you can assessment of the about to the personality each person. The counselor understanding of the behavior of particular each person and helps counselor come to conclusion about a possible future course of action. Help counselor, the counselor helping to in the conclusion means last moment only that counselors helping the each person, because of why means possible future core of action. You will get to the more possible of the good future in the and that related future only will get the more actions you can do. You can get to the good future. In that good future only main counselor also helping to the individually each person and helps counselor make a predictions about a person's unique future behavior, relate each person future behavior, future goal, future lives. This and all main counselor giving counseling to the person and helping to the counselor helping to the that in each individual persons. This is a personal assessment. See here counselor observing of the situation of the about the page about the person, that related person problem only counselor helping to the that related to the problems. Here, personality assessment same involves the techniques for systematically gathering of information. Mean personality assessment is techniques wise you can gather up the information. Total you can collect up the information about a person. Whoever you want to check up to the whoever you want to take care of the person means that related person only main you can take a gathering of the full details of information and order to understand and predict behavior. After collecting information, that information can easily understanding of the predict behavior. How like that, how the person behavior, how they doing of the behavior. This under you can observe in the personal, you can understanding of the each person. That is a personality assessment and goal of personality assessment. What is the main goal of the each person? That counselor you can assess of the about the goals of persons to obtain reliable, valid measures of individual differences that will permit the accurate prediction of behavior. Reliable and validity means how they have to the measurements like a related goals, how do they want to reach, what is the main goals, this and the value of the goals, and reliable means reliable reality of goals also you can observe to the each person. What is the main person goal? That related goals reaching means they will get the good future or not. This under just you can assess about person goals, you can assess after you can give to the help to the, you can help to the, you can encourage to the person. See some people's goals abnormal goal means that is a bad goals means not valuable of the goal means you are reaching that goal means waste. That's why main you can assess of the goals of the person, that related goals you can encourage, you can help to the each person, and you can maintain of the accurate prediction of behavior, how they doing of the behavior also you can observe into the personality. And next importance of personal, so 1 minute. Okay, next importance of personality development means what is the in case personality development means in that time what is main importance. Example you can tell me increase knowledgement, importance of increase knowledgement. You can tell me anyone? Okay, important of online class. What is importance of online class?
Don't time waste them.
Don't waste time then. Then
Then,
see, impart online skills means you can get the knowledge, you can intensely showing, you can write the exams, you can write the notes, and your particular subject you can speak of your knowledge and skills. That is the importance of online class. Here, please you can keep mute. Importance of personality development means in personality related personality development, what is the main importance? Ensure excellence in one chosen field. This people's whenever developing of the personality, that people's excellence is they will choose of the particular field. I want to study this one. I want to and I want to do the course this field. Like this, they people solely choosing of the capacity, choosing capacity have. That's why ensure excellence in one that people only they will choose of the field and contribute to individual and national development. Their individual only and the individual self only developing of the national development. What is the related national? How in national wise how they develop means like that only individual peoples also main developing in the national wise. And increase your chances for success in any undertakings. Whatever you want to take related means in case I want to take MSc and because I am take undertaking of the MSc course means I will successful because of I have personality development. I am interested in showing into the studying of MSc. That's why I successfully complete of the MSc. Here also increase your chances for success means you can increase of your chances for the successful purpose only. Don't use of the unnecessary any chances. Undertaking whatever you taking that relate only you can increase of the chances and you will get the successful whatever you want to reach of the goals. And to groom and polish your character nicely you can maintain of the don't use of the unnecessary means like some people's different abnormal character. That's why main importance of personal development people they will groom means nicely they groom and polish your character. They only nicely selfly good character maintaining and to boost self-confidence and enhance self-worth. They people's only in case boost drinking means what happened energy will get. These people self only they'll only maintain up the self-confidence and self-worth, self-values also they know about the particular everything also maintaining of the self values in the related to the particular topics because of why means this personality development to the each person like this have to the each person's character like they're only choosing of the field, they're individually they're developing, and they will get the successful related whatever they're taking means that related course only they will successful, and they will character also good. They have to the self confidence. They will maintain the self values also. This is the importance of personality development. Okay, anybody have doubts?
No, ma'am.
Aim for okay, okay. Okay, please you can resign. Okay, resign fastly.